We're here at the Two Rivers, and we are celebrating the 10 very exciting years of James as the CEO, since he was appointed the CEO of the Centum Group. My name is James Mworia, the Managing Director of Centum Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa. Welcome, Fred Murimi.
Thank you, Pius.
Please, let's start by you telling us what exactly have you been doing here at the Centum Group, and what are your most notable achievements during James's reign?
Thank you, Pius. So I've been here 6 years, since December 2012.
Okay.
Initially joined as Corporate Affairs Director and Company Secretary for Centum. I served in that position for almost 2.5 years. Then moved on to Centum Capital Partners, which is a private equity arm for Centum. We invest across several sectors. Currently, we have a portfolio of just about $250 million. That portfolio has done very well for Centum, earning about 27% annualized return over the last 10 years that James has been seeing.
So, Fred, it's interesting. You start as company secretary, and you end up the head of private equity. Is this the dynamism that people talk about when they speak about Centum?
Yes, that is for sure.
Yes.
Centum is a big group.
Yes.
Lots of opportunities, and a lot of it is tied back to the leader, the CEO.
Yes.
I remember, and this is one of my most memorable moments with James.
Yes.
I remember when I joined in December 2012, my first assignment was to attend the Christmas party. So at that party, we were about, I think all staff were about 14 or 15.
Yes.
We all could fit on one table.
Yes.
And in his remarks, he said that each of us has the capacity to become CEO or MD or head of an organization.
Yes.
His assignment was to ensure that each of us got that opportunity within Centum. And when I look back at the 14 or 15 people who are sitting on that table, and I see 6 years later, almost all, if not all of them, have now become CEOs or heads of their organizations, and many of them within Centum. And even for the few who may have left, they are heads of their organizations where they have gone to.
Yeah.
I think it's testament to James's big concern for people and ensuring that everybody lives to their full potential.
Yeah. So James trusts people.
Yes.
What has that trust paid back? When you look at your achievements over the last 4 years as the head of private equity, what have been your most notable deals or achievements?
I'd say two things. Number one is, don't get me wrong, James is a very tough boss to have. He expects the best out of people.
Yes.
And the good thing is that he doesn't expect anything more.
Yes.
Than what he himself is already doing, or has already done.
Yes.
So he pushes one to be the best version of themselves they can be, and he sets the path.
Yes.
When I look back at those 6 years, he has entrusted myself and lots of other people in the organization with significant transactions in this business. If I go back to 2013, the acquisition of a fund manager, then Genesis, he entrusted me with that, and we were able to conclude it. You were involved in that transaction as well.
Yes.
Very much involved in that transaction. And you remember that he trusted us.
Yes. Yes.
I think he maybe came for 2 or 3 meetings.
Yes.
On a billion-shilling transaction. We then had the sale of UEP Holdings, which was another significant transaction. Over 5 billion shillings. Again, he trusted the two of us with it.
With 5 billion shillings.
5 billion shillings. And he wasn't breathing over our next check. What is going on.
Yes.
And there have been many other transactions that we can speak about.
Yes.
Which he has trusted his people.
Yes.
But also he has held us to a very high standard as far as the execution of those transactions.
Yes.
But that high standard is one that he himself has already achieved.
Yes. So we acquired Gen Africa in 2013, and recently, again, we sold it. Did we make money or did we lose money?
I think it's fair to say we made money because out of that billion shillings we invested back in December 2013,
yes,
in July 2018, just about 4.5 years later, we then realized about 2.4 billion shillings in addition to dividends that we earned over the 4.5 years. Of another 300 million shillings. So in all, we realized almost 2.8 billion shillings from a 1 billion shilling investment 4.5 years ago. So I think it's fair to say we made money.
We made money. Yes. Fantastic.
And again, it's something that James trusted us to do, and we had no choice but to get it done.
Yes, that's true. So, Fred, in terms of concluding, you spoke about the track record of the private equity. You said it's what, 25%? 27% over the last
10 years.
Over the last 10 years.
Annualized return.
Annualized return. I mean, that's one of the best track records I've ever had, private equity in Africa. What would be your parting shot? It's been an exciting last 10 years. Going forward, what would be your parting shot to investors?
Okay. Thank you. I'd say to investors generally, Sub-Saharan Africa, East Africa is a place to invest in. We have a track record, demonstrable track record of 10 years, over the last 10 years. We have generated a decent return over those 10 years. And we are sure the future is even brighter. We are looking forward to another exciting 10 years. And we are sure that we're going to be able to generate decent returns for Centum and for other investors who partner with us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Fred. It's been an honor to host you. I look forward to having such a sitting, another 5 years probably, and we see how the track record will be doing.
Super.
Thank you for watching. My name is Piers Mushiri Mugo, the Managing Director of Centum Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa.